Hey Scootopians, what's going on? OhManDan here. Welcome to Scootopia. Today we're going to do a close-up on the Kaabo Wolf Warrior X. Join me and subscribe.
Okay, Scootopians. So this is the 2021 Wolf Warrior X. Let's just start with these grips. They look really, really cool, but you guys know old man Dan. I definitely have to change these grips to a more beefier, custom type grips for my big hands. The handlebars are very short for me, 24.6 inches, so you know I got to swap those out. And I do love the folding lock mechanism. The brackets are really, really solid. Look how thick they are. Very thick, very solid. So for zero wobbles, very stable ride. Everybody knows Old Man Dan is a huge fan of the dual pole stem. All right. The dual pole stem is just solid, but these here are very small, kind of cub-like. Um, when you compare them to the Warrior and the King, they're really, really small. Cub-like, for real. Okay, so it has hydraulic front suspension. Um, and I've been having a little problem with this suspension, though, but I'll talk about that on a later video. So while I'm down here, though, I do want to talk about these tires. I know you heard me complain about these off-road tires and how much I don't like off-road tires on the road. But these are actually hybrid style tires that offer incredible traction and comfort. All right. And it has that loud hum that people like with off-road tires. Um, Also, this Kaabo Wolf Warrior X has that loud horn. This horn is like really, really loud. And those super famous headlights. And I think these headlights here are brighter than the Warrior and the King's headlights. Comes with the Mini Motors eye display, which I think is the best in the market. Um, the deck is 21 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and 7-inch clearance from the ground. But it really surprised me because it was able to fit or accommodate my size 14 foot. I get ample room. I put my left foot here and I put my right foot back here like this. And it's actually very comfortable, you know. Got that real beefy kickstand. All right. That beefy kickstand. Then of course it comes with Zoom hydraulic brakes, 140 millimeter rotors. And I love the fact that this model introduced the very first iteration of turn signals, front and back. Has emergency flashers along with the tail and brake lights. Now, what I don't like is this side lamp is really flimsy, really, really flimsy. It seems like like it'll break at any moment. It looks like it's really, really easy to break, and I hope I'm wrong. Now, the last thing before I close out this 5-minute close up is I've been asked by several people, does my rear fender rub on the rear tire? And unfortunately, I have not been able to duplicate that rubbing that they're talking about until today. Today, I took it on my most aggressive route with Irvine's very uneven roads, speed bumps, and dips, and was able to duplicate that rub over and over again. Not speeding over, not jumping over them, just regular old man Dan style riding. Not doing any stunts or anything. And sure enough, that bad boy did the same rub that Andrew and Jimmy told me about. So yes, that's a problem. So they were right. It does rub. All right. So this Wolf Warrior X is just a nice scooter, but it has some issues. All right. So this is Old Man Dan. I hope this 5-minute close up answered some questions you may have had. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and definitely share my videos with your friends and family. You know, tell them about OhManDan, Scootopia by OhManDan. All right. Because I got some new scooters that I purchased, and we got a lot of new content coming up. So stay tuned, Scootopians. This is OhManDan saying, hey, I'm out.
About to meet the man, OhManDan. Was about the mug to help mankind. Start a scooter club, I know you're fine, cause you're just like that. You bend over backwards to help a man. You strap up, you boot up, you throw on your colors. Get ready to hang, riding with the fellas. Yeah, on a glorious crusade. Helping those in need. Now they got it made. West Coast scooter.